If you're searching for an honest, detailed review of AteneAI, you've come to the right place. This just released AI software has been creating quite a buzz, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end because I'll share my final thoughts on whether this tool really lives up to the hype. AteneAI is a new contender in the AI software world, and it promises to streamline everything from workflow automation to content generation. It's designed for both small businesses and larger enterprises, making it versatile and scalable. But the big question is, does it really deliver what it promises? First, let's talk about the core functionality of AteneAI. It's built to help users automate various business tasks using AI-driven insights and predictions. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or managing customer relationships, AteneAI integrates these functions seamlessly. What's remarkable here is how it automates repetitive tasks without needing heavy technical know-how, allowing even non-tech savvy users to unlock its power. One of the key features that stand out with AteneAI is its ability to generate tailored content based on your audience and market trends. With just a few inputs, the software can draft marketing emails, blog posts, or even social media content, saving you hours of time. For marketers, this can be a game changer. You won't need to manually research or create everything from scratch, and it adapts to your unique voice as a brand. Another crucial point to mention is AteneAI's predictive analytics. It analyzes patterns from your existing data and makes future predictions that can help you plan better. For business owners, this is invaluable because it's like having a dedicated analyst on your team, except that it's running 24/7. It makes sense of big data and delivers actionable insights in seconds. If you're someone who struggles with managing multiple platforms and tools, AteneAI brings everything under one roof. From CRM to email marketing, it consolidates key tools you need for a streamlined workflow. This could mean less time switching between different apps and more time focusing on what truly matters, growing your business. One feature I wasn't expecting to be so powerful is its customer support automation. AteneAI uses AI to understand customer queries and respond almost instantly. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps and doesn't need coffee. This level of automation can dramatically improve your customer service response times while freeing up your team to handle more complex tasks. Now, for something you might want to consider. AteneAI is still new, and while it has a lot of potential, it's not perfect. Some users have reported minor glitches, particularly with its integration with other third-party apps. However, the team behind AteneAI is active in rolling out updates, so I'm confident this will be resolved in time. Lastly, pricing. AteneAI offers a free version to try it out, and the premium version gives you access to advanced features. This is where it gets interesting. For businesses looking to get a full-scale AI assistant without breaking the bank, this is one of the more affordable options compared to other AI solutions that charge significantly more. Before you go, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below so you can get a first-hand experience with AteneAI. And after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've compiled a list of my top recommended AI softwares, all available for you to try for free. Make sure to check that out too. So is AteneAI worth your time? In my opinion, it's definitely worth exploring. It's one of the best just released AI softwares I've tested this year. And if you're looking to automate and optimize your workflow, it could be exactly what you need. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience with this tool.